Folks, welcome back. It's Chris with SealBoss again here. On today's segment, we're going to touch on the 6060. It's a true polyurethane by chemistry, and it is our Spall repair offering. Very fast setting formula here. Comes to us at an A to B 1-to-1 ratio. Can be used in the Jointmaster Pro 2 G3i machine for conveyance on larger scale projects, and is a very, very fast setting material. Like I said, ambient conditions about 73 to 75 degrees. You're looking at a set time roughly between 2 and 4 minutes. That can be slowed down in cooler temperatures and of course sped up the hotter it gets. One nice thing about 6062 is you can get a repair mortar made out of it, so if you want to increase that compressive strength and also maybe cut down on material expenditure, you can thicken the body of a 6060 with one of two items, either a kiln dried sand or a silica sand that you can pick up at your local hardware store. Equal parts sand to mixed 6060 can come together also at a 1-to-1, and you get a very nice repair mortar out of that. You'll actually see that on our repair video showing both the 6060 and the 6500 in tandem to not only fix a spall, but then go ahead and fix the joint that ran through the spall. 6060 polyurethane spall repair. If you have any questions about it, feel free to contact us here at SealBoss or check us out online at sealboss.com. We're here to help you.